guys, it's Emily here. So I'm super excited to do this unboxing video. It is a Halloween theme one and I'm so excited. So I got this off of Etsy. I have a Halloween account. If you don't know, it's called In Our Town of Halloween. And I found this woman that makes these handmade Halloween items and I love, and she always does this one typical thing, I'm gonna say, because I want it to be a surprise, but you probably will see it in the title though, of like necklaces and stuff like that. It's like a pendant thing, but I'm actually gonna use it for decorations. But anyways, she always does it and I always wanted one, but I really wanted to wait until I found one that I really liked that she did. So she did two that I fell in love with. I was only gonna get one, but I ended up getting two. But I'm super excited to unbox this and see this. I am so excited. I've been seeing pictures of her posting it, so I'm so excited that I got two of these. So first of all, I want to show you guys these this is also the stuff, and I will show you guys her Instagram after I unbox everything. But I got, I think this is the first one I got that she made. I got these around September and October. I don't know if you can see that, but it has really cute like little cute stars and bats around it, and it's basically a pumpkin in the middle. It's kind of hard to see. You might have to put it towards the light to really see it, but it is super cool. And then for my birthday party, I actually used these for decorations because it was like Halloween theme as well. And then this is the other one I have. It has like a bat pumpkin there, and it's like on this like trig thing. And I think it's so cool and see-through too, so it's kind of hard to see. But yeah, so I'm so excited. So I'm finally gonna open what I ordered. I'm so excited to open these. I've been like pacing, waiting to get them in the mail today. Because I was super excited to get them, and I did not have no scissors when I started making this video, so I'm just gonna have to rip it open. Okay. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see this. So, oh wow. Oh my god, this is so cool. So, oh my goodness. So, technically it was in this bag, but it fell out. So she sent me this black bag, and inside came this handmade scar. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's so black and dark, but it is a scar on here, and it's on this like metal thing. Oh my god, this is so cool. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is so cool. I know she was having a sale on these, so because she wants to make room for other things in her shop, so she probably just sent this. And plus, this is like so nice. I love this. Oh my goodness. Some of the stuff I actually might wear, but I kind of would love to use these more for like decorations wise, so nothing happens to them, because I always get nervous I'm gonna like make something break or something like that. So here is the thing I'm so excited for. So she has them so cute, and it's like all wrapped really cute with her cards and stuff. I'm gonna take a photo and I'm gonna be back. So I am ready to open this now. I'm so excited. So inside is a little thank you card, and it says thank you Emily, and it has her name there. But yeah, so this is what the card looks like. It's really cool. It has a cute moon on it. And then this is her business card. Like I said, I'll show you guys her Instagram at the end. Oh, I'll show you guys her Instagram at the end, so you guys can more see like what her style is and stuff like that. So that's her card. So now it's time to unbox this. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see. So she has it really cute in a ribbon, and I love the box. I love the box. Okay, ready? I'm gonna close my eyes so I can't see. Okay. Can you guys see it? Are they cute? Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Look at the packaging on these. Uh-oh, one just fell out. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. She had them all wrapped. Hold on, I'm gonna try to make this all wrapped so I can take a picture. Okay, so I'm gonna take them out. The one fell out, so I'm gonna take the other ones out and show you guys. So like again, this is what it looks like. So cute, and it has like black like paper in it. It is so cute. So this is the first one, and it has ghosts in its ear, and it also has, it says it's glow in dark as well, and it's also sparkly. Is really cute, and I chose one. She actually was really helpful because I didn't know. I picked one. I really wanted this one that had a sparkle right above its eye, and I got the other one so she was able to like switch it. So I was able to get that style instead of the other style, which basically looked like the same thing, but this one was really unique because it had like a sparkle to its eye right above it. You guys can't see it on camera, but I can see it when I put it close to the sun. But it looks like this. It's so cute. I'll show you guys it in the sun because it's better. But this is what it looks like. It's supposed to like hang down like this. Honestly, this is so cute as a necklace. I love that. I'm gonna definitely wear it as a necklace. But this is what the bat, and these are called Chubby bats, by the way. So it has two black ghosts in its ear, and it's shiny, and it says glow in the dark as well. It is so cute, and the back is just plain like this. So it is really, really cute. I love this so much. So the other one I have, I was just gonna get this one, and then I decided to get the other one because I was like, I've been wanting these for a while, and they're just so cute. So yeah, so I got this one. So this is the vampire bat. It has red dye in it, and it also has bats on its wings and moons, and it's also shiny as well, and its teeth is shiny, and it has red eyes. So it's really cute. This would be definitely a perfect one to wear on Friday the 13th. So it's really cute. I love it, and it hangs like this. So yeah, it is so cute. And then of course, like I said, the box has these little things. I'm honestly gonna save this box and keep them in there because I think it looks so cute as like a decoration to keep them out. So I'm gonna show you guys it in the sun, them in the sun, so you guys can see more of the designs in these. So yeah. So this is what the vampire bat looks like. It's really cool, as you guys can tell. I love the red in it. It is so well, and it's shiny. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles it has in it, but it's really shiny, and I think it's really well, and it's has sparkles in its teeth as well. So I think this is like so well made, so perfect. I'm absolutely in love with this bat. So this is the haunted bat. You can see it has two ghosts, black ghosts. You can actually have, she actually had white ones as well, but I chose the black because I love black, of course. And it is really see-through, and right here it has sparkles. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys can see the sparkle a little bit. You can see it right there. It's right above its eye, like I was talking about, and I think that's really unique, and I love it. So yeah, so this is the haunted bat. I really, really love it. And of course, this is the scar necklace. I have the sun shining on it, but it is really black. So I think this is so cool. And I want to show you guys this too. So here is the pumpkin bat. And then here is the pumpkin, like on like kind of like a moon in a way. With all like the shiny and sparkles and all the stuff it has on it, which is really cool. It's really shiny, and I really love it. And I love how this one has some like extra stuff on it. So yeah, so these are really cute. So with those I just showed you, they came in these cute little bags. So this is her, the one card that she had, and then this is the other one. She does these pumpkins too around Halloween. I didn't get any of those, but hopefully next year I can. So yeah, so these are really cute, and I've got to show you guys this. But this was like a little free goodie that she had. Like they weren't in her shop, but she was giving them like out for like so many people that ordered. So it's really cute. It's just like a little keychain. Here you go. You guys can kind of see it. My camera won't focus on it. Oh, there you go. So it's really cute. It has a ghost in it. It has bats. It has like stars, and it's purple and white. And I think it's really, really cool. So I'm gonna show you guys her Instagram at the moment. So this is my Halloween account. I was changing my settings, but usually it's like really colorful like this. But this is my Halloween account, and it's in our town of Halloween. I also have a post note too, which is Love Emily 21. But let's go down. She actually reposts this photo. So it's called the Moonbeads, and this is what her name is. Sorry guys, my camera won't focus in the moment. That's her name, and then this is her Etsy here. And this is like all the work that she does. So there's like a bunch. There's the chubby bats I have. She also reposts. Here's my photo. So there's a bunch of stuff. She does moons. She does cats. She does scars like I just showed you. She does a lot, so it's really cool. So definitely follow her. It's the moon beads. And then let's click on her Etsy. Let's click on her Etsy. And it's loading. So this is her Etsy. So it's like on her bio. So you can just find her Instagram and just click on her Etsy. So just like searching for Etsy, and might as well follow her too, because you can get updates. And when she does, she always posts new stuff on Wednesdays at 8 p.m. So make sure you always follow. So she does like winter themed bats. You can see that there. Snowflakes, I think those are really pretty. She has some Valentine's Day ones with there. She has some Valentine's Day ones. I think these are super cute. I'm just not a pink poster. But yeah, she does a whole bunch of things. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love the stuff that I got. I love the bats. They are so cute. And I also love my free scar necklace I have. Like, that was just a big thank you. And I am in love with that. And as well as my bats. So thank you guys so much for watching.